Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive with We. In today's episode, we're showcasing Me Bistro. Me Bistro is a quaint gem located at Anderson Street in Curepe, and it's owned by a husband and wife team, and it's managed by the very talented Chef Kristopher. This casual yet trendy restaurant serves up comforting breakfast food all day long. The menu includes pasta, sandwiches, and burgers, and the bistro is really close to UWE campus, so for those students looking for a quick and tasty bite, you can find them easily using WAZE or Google Maps. With attractive prices, a flavorful menu, and relaxing ambience, you're guaranteed an enjoyable experience at this charming restaurant. So keep watching to see what Me Bistro has to offer.
So we're in the kitchen of Me Bistro. We have Chef Kristopher in the background. He's going to be making chicken Alfredo, so he's going to show us how he makes his specialty.
Okay, so today we'll be making our chicken Alfredo.
Yeah.
So we have chicken, pasta, onions, mushrooms, garlic, heavy cream, milk, and some Parmesan cheese. Right? So first, you add a little oil. Ordinary chicken. It's like yellow color in chicken. So once the chicken get a little color, followed by the onions, mushrooms, a little bit of garlic. Milk. Parmesan cheese. No Parmesan, mozzarella cheese, sorry. Black pepper. A little bit of Parmesan. Pasta. touch of heavy cream. Finish with a little bit of finish with some Parmesan. Garnish with some pasta. And that's it.
The ultimate taste test of Kristopher's chicken Alfredo, and it looks so creamy and nice. He put a lot of cheese in it, which I love. Wow, that is a thumbs up. I can taste the Parmesan. I'm tasting the garlic, the creaminess, amazing. Tasting the mozzarella too. This is a definite 10 out of 10. So you guys need to come down to Bite Me Bistro, try out the pasta, try the waffles, love the chocolate chip waffles. What is your specialty here though?
Burgers and the pasta.
The burgers, okay. Alright, so Kristopher, thanks so much for the experience. I'm so happy to showcase Bite Me Bistro. And we're going to encourage everyone to come on down. So I got shrimp and fries. We also got a waffle platter. So Bite Me serves breakfast all day. And Rahan got the ultimate cheesy burger. And I also got some minced tea.
So thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Bite Me Bistro for being so welcoming to us. We really appreciate it. Give the video a big thumbs up to show some love to Bite Me Bistro, and try to join in with us to support local and support small businesses in Trinidad and Tobago. Remember, Bite Me Bistro is open from Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and on Sunday from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. And you can contact them at 645-2483. And you can find them on Facebook and Instagram. I'll leave all the information in the description box below. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!